Guys, this is Fairy Tita and we're here in another episode of Q&A with Fairy Tita. So for this Q&A, we'll be answering questions about Fairy Tita and her golf game. So first question, how do I stay good vibes after a triple bogey on the first hole? So guys, mahirap na maging good vibes kapag sa start ay nakaka-triple bogey ka na or double par, which I have experienced so many times already. So, kung tatanungin niyo ako dati, I will tell you before, sira na yung buong laro ko. But right now, if magka-triple bogey ako sa first hole, I will just keep it in mind. And I will just focus more on the second and the next succeeding holes na hindi na ako ulit maka-triple bogey or maka-double par. So, I will exert more effort to at least be bogey or double bogey or maka-par or maka-birdie. So, lalo na pag may triple bogey ka, kailangan magka-birdie ka. So, at least mabawi mo yung sabog mo dun sa unang hole. And usually, sa first few holes talaga guys, sa laro ko, I usually sumasabog talaga ako or I really don't, play that good. Kasi, alam mo na, mga tita buddies, kailangan ng matinding warm up. And ang joke namin dyan, guys, ng aking mga champions classmates, kailangan ng 9 holes bago kami maka-warm up. So, right now, tatawanan na lang and there's still a lot more holes naman. So, pwede ka pang makabawi. Question that a lot of people are asking me is what is the most tita thing in my golf bag that isn't a club? Okay, siguro the most tita thing, actually hindi siya nasa golf bag but parati ko siyang bit-bit. Siguro yung cooler ko na handun yung water ko and handun yung drinks ko and ang very famous kong mga bimpo at lampin. Guys, I think that is one of the most tita thing I have, and the reason why I always bring my cooler with my bimpo is that because I have high blood pressure. So, kailangan guys, kasi pag may high blood pressure ka, sobrang init can spike your blood pressure. So, and I always fear having heat stroke. So, lalo na ngayon, it's summer. So, I always try to drink more water and fluids. But I also always parang put bimpo sa aking ulo and then pinupunasan ko yung face ko and then I put in my neck. So, yan ang very tita thing in my golf bags. Kasi marami akong dala-dala guys. Para akong naglalayas every time maglalaro ka ng golf. So, that's one thing na very tita in my bag.